Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can add transition in CapCut PC. So it's super simple, just going to add photos or videos you want to edit. So for add the transition, just click transition and select transition you want to add. For instance, select this full in transition, just drag and put between the clip. So do as before. uh, or it's like uh, so on until finish the clip, and you can click play button for the result. So here we go, that's how to add transition in CapCut PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.